Hello everyone, I am Srisha. Welcome back to Creative Math 07. In my previous video, I discussed how to find the mean for ungrouped data. If you haven't watched it yet, please check it out. In this video, I am going to add a few more problems on how to find the mean for ungrouped data. Let's get started. Let us see an example. If the mean of 6, 8, 5, x and 4 is 7, find the value of x. After reading the question, just check what is given and what you have to find. If you observe the question, they have given mean and at the same time they have given some observations with one missing observation. Here the missing observation is x, which is an unknown. First write what is given. I have written what are the given observations. Next, count the number of observations. Here the number of observations are 5. You have to consider x. They have given mean is equal to 7. You know the formula for mean. Mean is equal to sum of observations by number of observations. In place of mean, you can write 7 and sum of observations, you can add all the observations. And number of observations is 5. The left hand side, 7 remains same. In the right hand side, you can add all the numerical values except x. So 7 is equal to 23 plus x by 5. 5 moves to left hand side. So 7 into 5 is equal to 23 plus x. 7 5 is 35. 35 is equal to 23 plus x. 23, it comes to left hand side. 35 minus 23 is equal to x. Since x is in simple equation, you can write x in left hand side or right hand side. X is equal to 12. Let's see one more example. If the mean of 5 observations are x, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6, x plus 8 is 11, find the mean of first 3 consecutive numbers. It's clear from the question, you have to find the value of x and at the same time you have to find the mean for first 3 consecutive numbers. I have written what is given. Number of observations is equal to 5. They have given mean. Mean is equal to 11. You know the formula for mean. Mean is equal to sum of observations by number of observations. Substitute all the values. You can add all the x because they are like terms. You will get 11 is equal to 5x plus 20 by 5. 5 will go to left hand side. 11 into 5 is equal to 5x plus 20. 55 is equal to 5x plus 20. 20 is a constant. It has a positive sign. If it comes to left hand side, it becomes minus. So 55 minus 20 is equal to 5x. 5x is equal to 35. X is equal to 35 by 5. 5 table 35 7 times, so x is equal to 7. Now we have to find the mean of first 3 consecutive numbers. So here are the first 3 consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers means sequence. X, x plus 2, x plus 4, they are in the sequence. Mean is equal to sum of observations by number of observations. Now you can add all the x because they are like terms. So 3x plus 6 by 3. You can substitute x is equal to 7. We got x is equal to 7. Mean is equal to 27 by 3. 3 table 27 9 times. So mean is equal to 9.